Meet Bubbles the Budgie. He's an adorable blue budgie with feathers the color of the sky. He's got the fluffiest cheeks and face you will ever see on a parakeet. Bubbles loves to hang out with his humans. They just can't get enough of him. They think he's so adorable, no matter what he does. His humans may be a little biased, but they think he's the most adorable parakeet ever. It's exhausting being so adorable, so Bubbles takes naps occasionally. Bubbles is quite the Instagram star, with over 3,000 followers. He's always got to preen his feathers to be camera ready. You never know when paparazzi's going to show up. Bubbles likes to have a healthy, balanced diet, and he loves to eat his veggies. His favorite vegetable are peas. He can't get enough of them. Bubbles' hatch day is September 19th. He will be 2 years old. Bubbles is a single bird, so his message to the world is that if there are any single lady budgies out there, DM him on Instagram. Hope you learned something new about this stunning fella. Don't forget to follow him on Instagram at fluffy.budgies. Bye!